KTM isn't known for taking the easy route, and their 2025 1390 Super Duke GT proves this once again. While the GT has traditionally been their more relaxed sports touring option, the 2025 model shifts the focus toward a more performance-oriented approach. Along with a significant boost in power, the GT now boasts sharper handling and enhanced tech features that place it firmly at the sportier end of the sports touring spectrum. At the heart of the 2025 GT lies a newly updated 1350cc LC8 V-twin engine, which is nearly identical to the one powering the Super Duke R. The engine now delivers a claimed 188 horsepower and 145 Nm of torque, representing a significant step up in performance compared to the previous model. This power upgrade is paired with a redesigned airbox, a centrally mounted ram air intake, and a larger radiator, all of which help ensure the bike maintains peak performance under various conditions. The 2025 GT's engine performance is also enhanced by a change in gearing, with new ratios that offer more aggressive acceleration in the mid-range, especially in 5th and 6th gears, at the expense of the previous more laid-back overdrive ratios. This modification gives the GT a much sportier edge, making it more responsive on winding roads and spirited rides. To complement the more powerful engine, KTM has outfitted the 2025 Super Duke GT with a new chassis borrowed directly from the Super Duke. This updated frame is both stiffer and more agile, improving the bike's handling and cornering ability, while still offering the comfort expected of a touring bike. The revised chassis works in harmony with the new WP Apex semi-active suspension that provides superior handling and a smooth ride across various conditions. For stopping power, the 2025 Super Duke GT is equipped with top-tier Brembo brakes, featuring Stylema monoblock calipers up front, on two 320mm discs. The rear brake is a twin-piston Brembo caliper on a 240mm disc. The multi-click adjustable front lever allows for precise control, while the bike's cornering ABS and Supermoto ABS settings provide further rider customization. The GT is also fitted with Michelin Power 6 tires, mounted on 17-inch wheels, ensuring superior grip and performance on both the street and track. KTM has also put extra focus on improving comfort mode for the 2025 GT, ensuring that long-distance touring riders enjoy a more compliant ride. The new compact riding position adds to the bike's comfort, offering an ergonomic fit for riders seeking to rack up the miles without sacrificing agility, and seat height at 834mm. KTM has loaded the 2025 Super Duke GT with an array of new tech to enhance both performance and rider convenience. A forward-facing radar system introduces adaptive cruise control, while angle-sensitive electronics further refine the riding experience. The bike's electronics package also includes a brand new tire pressure monitoring system, which offers a dedicated track setting for precise monitoring of tire health. Additionally, revised rider modes, including a new custom mode and the option for custom and tracked modes, give riders even more control over how the bike performs in different riding scenarios. All of this is displayed on the new 8.8-inch TFT touchscreen dashboard, which boasts an updated interface and improved connectivity features. Weighing in at 228 kilograms wet, the 2025 KTM 1390 Super Duke GT is set to redefine the sport touring category with its more aggressive performance, sharper handling, and advanced tech features.